Okay, so let's be real for a second. What if I told you there's a completely free unlimited AI tool that lets you generate uncensored hyper-realistic images with no paywalls or restrictions? In this video, I'm going to show you how it works, how realistic the results actually are, and why it's quickly becoming one of the most powerful image generators out there. We'll test it with humans, different styles, and even animals, and the results honestly surprise. So if you're into AI influencers, realistic image generation, or uncensored AI creativity, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more AI tools like this, and stick around till the end because I'll reveal the name of the tool and how you can use it yourself. Okay guys, this is the home screen of the AI video generator, and we are going to use this to create uncensored images, realistic ones at that. I mean guys, and now first of all you'll see in the description, this is where you type in your prompt, and this dice you see over here is used to shuffle prompts accordingly. When you are too lazy or you are looking for what to generate, you can easily click the dice and it will keep on generating different shuffles of prompts for you. Now we are going to paste in our first prompt to see what this can do. I'm going to paste a woman with pink and brown hair, red lipstick, wearing a sexy bikini and a G-string for swimming. Now if you look under the description bar, you can see where you can add the camera shots. You can choose an extreme close-up, low angle, high angle, aerial, portrait or not. But for this, we are going to choose a portrait. Now we can also choose the color we want. How do you want it? Vibrant, warm, cool, pastel. So I'm going to choose vibrant. Which effect do you want it to have? I'm going to choose this chromatic aberration. Now, what art style do we want to use for this? In the prompt bar, we can choose from the different varieties of art style here, but we're going to go and we're going to use cinematic to make it look more realistic, since that is what we're aiming for. Choose the shape you want it to be in, the aspect ratio. It could be a square, a landscape, or a portrait. So let's go with the landscape. You can also choose how many times you want these images to be generated, the different variations, and multiple times, which can be either 3 or 12 or 9 or 6. The images are going to be very, very distinct from each other, so we're going to stick with 6. Now let's click generate to see what this can do. Wow, this is amazing guys. Can you see what it brought out for us? Exactly like we wanted it. A close-up portrait, vibrantly colored with chromatic aberrations. This is so wonderful, my guys. Wow guys. This is very amazing. It came out exactly like we wanted it. Close-up portraits, vibrant color grading, and chromatic aberrations. Oh my days. These are so amazing, guys. Now we're gonna try something else. By the side of the description bar, you're gonna see this brain-looking icon. Click on it, and now in these parts you're going to put keywords or ideas or instructions inside it, and this AI is going to generate the rest of the prompts for you just by using your keywords. You don't need to start using ChatGPT to go back and forth with prompts. This AI is fully equipped to generate for you what ChatGPT can, even make it more uncensored. Now we're going to paste a few keywords. As you can read now, you can also choose the prompt with the random brackets, but we're going to go with the normal prompt, then click on generate. As you can see, the prompts are automatically generated by itself inside the description bar. This is so great guys. You don't have to stress yourself or go to another tab to create this prompt now. A feature that I want to bring to your attention is the scratch pad. Once you notice that you are comfortable with the prompt created and you don't want to lose it, just simply copy it, then click on the show and paste it into the scratch pad. The reason you're pasting it in the scratch pad is so that once you refresh this page, the text won't go away with the page. You will still have to come back to the prompt, and I'm going to talk more about this later in the video. You can now also change the shots of this our email prompt, do it wide angle, make it a vibrant effect, lens flare, and the general wants it to be. We're going to leave it as it is, cinematic, still landscape, and 6. Oh, to be a woman. Proud, this is so beautiful, delighted. Can you see the succulence in these images, guys? This is so wonderful to see, making it look so cinematic, real, and a bit uncensored. Now, I want us to take it up a notch and make a more uncensored image. We are going to use this prompt in the description bar and generate it. This is so great, guys. What do you think about the generated images? Why not tell us in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to you with what I think about it as well. Now, I want us to change the art style to anime. I know this is widely accepted by a huge audience. I'm still going to leave it in landscape and generate it with the same prompt. Now we have created these same images with an anime style. My god, guys, imagine creating a hentai anime storybook with this image. It's going to be very awesome, don't you think? You could use it for your storybook and comics, and it should be very amazing because this is going to get a lot of audience. The image can show how the model is shivering from the prompt. Now let's change the art style again. We are trying to push this to its highest capabilities. There are a lot of styles, and we are going to choose cartoon. I guess this won't be for kids now. Let's generate it now. The cartoon style of the same prompt has been generated, and just like I said before, imagine trying to use this tool to create a comic, and with your greatest imagination, this is going to be very viral. Why don't you try it out and leave a comment in the comment section now? Did you know that you could sell your images for money online? I bet you didn't know that. Now we're gonna go to a website called Fanvue. In Fanvue, you could sell your uncensored images and videos for money. You could also refer to earn, become, and follow other creators on here, and become a creator and start creating your own models in Fanvue. Now I'm coming back to our homepage. I have created a male awkward cartoon style that is wearing a nose ring. These are very amazing examples that have been generated for us. Now, did you know you could turn your images into videos? Now we are gonna come to your browser and search hugging face, then scroll over and you're gonna see WAN 2.2 animate. Click on this. Now we are gonna drag that image of that oak that we last generated. Then we are gonna animate it here. Simply click on generate video and it is gonna generate some videos for us over here. Oh, that's great. The video came out better than I thought, guys. As promised at the beginning of the video, the name of the tool is Perchance. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates on uncensored AI content.